Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting inside your Canva site, open the project and go straight to the page with the header. Once you select the navigation element, Canva highlights the group. Make sure you're editing the group, not an individual link. You can unlock layers if they're locked. Next, click into the text or list element that represents your links so you can change labels, add a new link, or adjust spacing. This first interaction determines how the rest of the process flows. Now you'll edit the actual navigation items. Change the text labels and drag to reorder them. This updates the user flow immediately. Use the top toolbar to set font, size, color, and spacing so the nav remains consistent with your design. Then assign link targets, choose a site page, set an anchor for in-page scrolling, or paste an external URL and test each link. Make sure link behavior is set to open. Finish by previewing your site and interacting with each navigation link on desktop and mobile views to confirm responsiveness and correct targets. Once satisfied, publish your site so changes go live. If the nav still shows the old version, clear your browser cache or view in incognito to rule out caching. If links don't work, inspect for hidden duplicate elements, locked groups, or typos in URLs. Fix those, republish, and retest to ensure the navigation behaves as expected.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.